Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. Haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe? That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power Exhale. Today I'll be making some oatmeal pancakes today. My ingredients today, I'll be using 1.5 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of milk. I'll be using 3/4 of honey. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll be using 1 egg, 1 banana, a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and today these are going to be delicious. I made some the other day and they tasted pretty good. I said I'm going to share this and put this on the video. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to move some of this stuff out. Today I will be doing it in the Power Excel. So I can't do it with the top on. So I'm going to take this top off and put it to the side. And Mr. Bell going to put a lot of this stuff to the side and I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this oatmeal right in this bowl just like this. I'm going to pour the milk in. And I'm also going to put the honey in. Put all this in together. Just like that. I'll put the nutmeg and the cinnamon. I'm just going to mix this up. What I'm going to do as I mix it up, I'm going to let it sit for a minute and let it soak in, maybe for about 3 or 4 minutes, just like that. Mix it up nice and good. You can use any kind of milk you want to use. I just use regular milk. Just like that, let it sit. So as you see, it's looking nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack my egg. I'm just going to mix it up. Just like that. As you see, it's looking nice and good. So I'm going to set it to the side. So I have my banana right here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to peel this banana, take it out the shell. Just like that. You're just going to smash it. Just like this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my bowl. As you see, that's looking nice and good. I'm just going to rake it all in there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set my power axial on fry. It's on fry. I'm going to set it for 350. 350. And I'm going to set the minutes for 45 minutes. I'm going to press start. Let it circulate. I'm just going to pour a little of my vegetable oil in there. Just to have a little, just a little, like that. I'm just going to spread it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to set the camera a little bit closer so you can see how it's cooking and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set it in. Just like that. Let that cook. We're going to do this together. You know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. I'm only going to start off with 3. As you see, it's cooking. Okay, as you see, it's coming out good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just flip it over real quick, like that. Flip the other one over. Let it cook. So we're going to take a look at these and see how they're coming out. Look like they're coming out pretty nice. I'm going to see if I can just flip it over one time. Oh yeah, see if I can flip this big one over. Okay. Kind of soft like, you don't want to mess them up. Flip the other one over. Have to get them just right. They look like they cooking pretty good. I want to get this last one. Like I say, I'm just testing these out in the Power XL. Yeah, looking good. Flip them just like that. Okay, these look like they done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them out. Looking nice and good and everything. So I'm gonna take them out. Sit them on this nice plate right here. Looking nice and good. I'm gonna just put my little batch in there. The rest of it. Just like that. These right here gonna be delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip this last batch over and see how they come out. Coming out looking nice and good and everything. Flip this last one over. Looking nice. And I'm gonna let this cook a couple more minutes. And if you wonder what's the dishes behind me, as this is cooking, wash the dishes. Don't leave it for your spouse. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your roommate. Wash them as you go. Okay, these look like they're done, so I'm just going to take them out, put them over here with the rest of them. Nice and good. Take that out. And that's looking good. These are your oatmeal pancakes. As you see, they're nice and small. They looking nice and good. A little hot. We just took them out and everything. And I'm going to taste one of them, see how they taste and everything. I'm just going to break a piece of it. As you see, the breaking looking nice and good. That is good. You should try them. Oatmeal pancakes are good. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding, hit that bell. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment in the box.